How to fix the WhatsApp error download file. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles with the WhatsApp error download file issue, it could be a network issue. To confirm it, check for the internet connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Additionally, you can restart your router or toggle the airplane mode on and off in order to refresh the connection. After that, you also have to ensure your phone has enough free storage to download the files. You can go to the device settings and check for the free storage available on your device. You can head over to files to delete the unused files or apps if necessary. After that, head over to Play Store or App Store and then update the WhatsApp application. Sometimes the bugs could be fixed with the latest version. After that, also ensure your phone's data and time are set correctly, preferable to automatic. This can be changed on the settings of your device. Once that is done, restart your device to refresh the minor glitches. Now delete the file and then ask the sender to resend it to re-download the file. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.